Now, this is a very important topic. What do you call it? Where did Prajapati Gautami die? Where did Prajapati Gautami, the Buddha's foster mother, die? And where did she, what do you call it, show her powers to the Buddha and to the rest of the people? Well, folks, she was, what do you call it, for that you will have to first understand Amrapali's, what do you call it, home. Amrapali's home, because Zhang Zhang is the only one who gives a hint of where she died. He takes the reader to Ratnakara's home, that is Ratgaon, and then he says next to it is the old house of Amrapali, where Mahaprajapati Gautami, the Buddha's foster mother, attained Parinirvana. So now that means the old house, that means there has to be a new house also of Amrapali, an old house and a new house. Now when you look at her property, next to, what do you call it, Ratgaon, which is Ratnakara's home, is Bajalpura. Now Bajalpura is, what do you call it, means music day in and day out. That is Amrapali's, where the Amrapali's musicians stayed. Music day in and day out. And then, what do you call it, you had Madhurapur, where Amrapali entertained the people, the Lichvis. They are of the Katyayani Goth, because she was attained, she got the name of Nagar Vadhu and what do you call it, Nagar Kalyani. It's not Nagar Kalyani, it's Katyayani. And the people living in Madhurapur are of the Katyayani growth. It means most probably they are her descendants. And then, what do you call it, the Lichvis, after the Buddha allowed Mahaprajapati Gautami to become a nun with 500 other Sakya women, the Lichvis got together and constructed a nunnery for them, a sangrama for them, that is Navtolia. Nav means new and Tolia means residence for a group of women. Tolia means a group of women. That is the nunnery. It's just stuck to Bajalpura. And then you have Koluvar, where Vimal Kondana lived. Where actually his name was Binal Koluvar. Koluvar means the son of Binal. Now Binal is, what do you call it, Bimbisara's real name. So, what do you call it, then you have between Ratgaon and Bajalpura, where the musicians stayed, you had Binalpur. Binalpur, where Bimbisara stayed. See, he wouldn't have stayed in the dancing quarters. He would have stayed, made a small palace close by within Amrapali's property, that is Binalpur. And then to the west of Madhurapur is Kakjaniya, mispronounced by Buddhists as Kunika. That was Ajat Shatru's name. Kunika was Ajat Shatru's name. It is actually Kakjaniya. Kakjaniya means to put on fire for the sake of a woman. So this entire thing, and Danyalpur is the what do you call it, park which Amrapali gave to the presented to the Buddha. So the entire this Tegra area, Tegra, Bajalpura, Navtolia, Madhurapur, Binalpur, Kakjaniya, all this was Amrapali's property. Folks, she was super duper rich. She was much richer than the Lichvi kings that she entertained. Anyway, that was why she was called also Rani. Now she was Nagar Kalyani, that is Katyayani, and basically now what do you call it, according to the Buddhist story, the Buddha was what do you call it, Mahaprajapati Gautami goes to the Buddha and she pays obeisance by touching his feet. And then she tells him that she has grown old, she had suckled him, she had looked after him. He had given her his spiritual training. and what do you call? But her time had come, and she wanted to go, leave the world, leave the earthly existence. So the Buddha gives her permission. But some people, they don't believe that a woman can become a female monk and get the powers of a monk. So the Buddha calls her back and then tells her to show her powers. Folks, where did this incident take place? Well, this incident took place in a place called Ghat Kindi. Ghat Kindi, according to the Buddhist story, it is Ghat Kindi. And just half a kilometer away is Buri Mama Sthan in Madhurapur, Western Madhurapur. That is the old house of Amrapali. Western Madhurapur is the old house of Amrapali. That is where she attained Mahaparinirvana, half kilometer away from Ghat Kindi. I will show you that in another video, the spot where Mahaprajapati Gautami attained Parinirvana. But the spot where she did those miracles, that she showed her power, is Ghat Kindi Sthan. Ghat means super powerful, having power which normal people don't have. And Kindi means sea. She was a female who was asked to show the powers of a male. She was a female and asked to show the powers of a male. That means both male and female. Being a female, she was asked to show the powers of a male. That's Kindi. Kinnar is male, female. Kinnar means male, female. Kindi is to show the power of male and female. Folks, that is the spot where Amrapali thrice where Prajapati Gautami. Actually, it's not Prajapati Gautami. Her name was Banni Parmeshwari, mispronounced as Prajapati Gautami. Prajapati cannot be a female's name. It is a male's name. Prajapati is a male's name. So it's Parmeshwari. Parmeshwari means a huge following, a person with a huge following. And Banni is like the Sakyas made fun of the Koliyas, that they came from forests. They lived in, their ancestors lived in forests. That's why she was called Banni Parmeshwari. So, and after she became female monk, she became Brahmi Parmeshwari. Brahmi Parmeshwari. The area prays to Brahmi Parmeshwari. I mean, Ratgaon, etc. They pray to Brahmi Parmeshwari. That is your Prajapati Gautami after becoming a nun. And then, now Ghat Kindi Sthan is the place where Prajapati Gautami showed the powers of male being a female herself. Folks, check out the Buddhist story of this certain story, and then you can check out the place in satellite pictures, and then you can see the actual video of Ghat Kindi Sthan where this incident took place. Today they have made it into a Durga temple, which I challenged over there. I challenged that it cannot be a Durga temple. It is Mahaprajapati's spot where she showed her prowess.